This tutorial is for providers looking to invite an educator to the associated educators roster in iLead for a specific site. This will connect the educator to that location's roster and give them a consent form specific to that location. Make sure to thoroughly check that the information entered into the invite has the educator's correct information. Once an invite has been accepted by the educator and their personal information entered, it cannot be reversed or changed. To invite an educator using this feature, follow these steps. Log into your iLead account on ilead.in.gov. Under Providers I Administer, click the View Details button on the facility you would like to add your new educator to. Scroll down to the Invited Educator section and click on the Invite Educators button. If you are inviting your educator to multiple sites, you can scroll down further on the page to select each of the individual sites you would like to invite them to. Next, click the Educators button at the bottom of your screen. The Search for Educators function allows you to find educators that are already located within one of your existing facilities. Complete the fields to locate their profile and then click Search. The Add New Educators function is used to add an educator that is not currently associated with any of your programs. By completing the fields on this function, you will be able to send them an emailed invitation requesting for them to join your site. Click Look Up to add this educator and assign them a role within your site. Repeat this step for each new educator that you would like to add to your site. Once complete, click on the Review button located at the bottom of your screen. This final screen will allow you to review your invitations to ensure accuracy before you officially send them out. Once you are satisfied with the invitations, click Submit. If the invite was submitted successfully, the educators who were invited will show up on your admin page as pending. If they received the invite in their email, it will show them as pending. The invites expire in 3 days due to security purposes. If the educator requires a new invite, please click Resend to send the educator a new invite to log in from. Provider admins, please also remember to add yourself to the associated educators roster so you can have access to your consent forms too. The Brighter Future Solutions Center cannot send educators invites. Only users with provider admin accounts are able to invite educators to their childcare program. Should you have any additional questions or concerns, please contact the Brighter Future Solutions Center directly by calling 1-800-299-1627